Computer mice have gotten weird. Some are designed to save your wrist, some are built for gaming domination, and some look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. So today we're looking at 10 weird but cool computer mice you probably didn't know existed. And yes, somewhere in this list we'll be talking about computer mice with balls of steel, or at least, balls that control everything. Let's start with something that looks strange at first, but actually makes a lot of sense. The ProtoArc ergonomic mouse, EM11NL, flips the traditional mouse design on its side, literally. Instead of forcing your wrist to twist flat against the desk, this vertical design keeps your hand in a natural handshake position. That small change can make a huge difference during long work sessions. Many users say it noticeably reduces wrist strain and hand fatigue once you get used to it. It connects through Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz receiver and can switch between 3 devices instantly. You also get adjustable DPI levels up to 2,400 and silent clicking buttons that won't annoy everyone around you. The rechargeable battery lasts about 25 days with normal daily use, which is impressive for something this compact. Customers love the build quality and comfort, though most mention it takes about a week to adjust to the vertical grip. And for $21.98, it's one of the cheapest ergonomic upgrades you can add to your desk. Now here's where things start getting interesting. Instead of moving the mouse across the desk, what if the mouse never moved at all? That's the idea behind the ProtoArc wireless trackball mouse EM01NL. Instead of sliding the mouse around, you control the cursor by rolling a built-in trackball with your thumb. Once you get used to it, it's surprisingly efficient. And it saves desk space since the mouse stays in one place. This model even lets you adjust the tilt angle between 0 and 20 degrees so you can find the most comfortable position for your hand. It connects to 3 devices, charges in under an hour, and offers 5 DPI levels depending on how fast you want the cursor to move. Customers say the trackball feels smooth and quiet, though beginners may need a short learning period before it feels natural. The price lands at $39.99. which makes it a pretty accessible way to try a trackball mouse. And speaking of trackballs, this next one takes the concept up a notch. The Nulea M512 wireless trackball mouse features a huge 55mm ball and a built-in wrist rest designed for long productivity sessions. Because the device stays stationary, you can use it almost anywhere, even on tiny desks where traditional mice run out of space. It works for both left and right-handed users, connects to 3 devices, and has a wireless range of about 33 feet. Customers say the large trackball makes precision movements easy, and many compare its quality to much more expensive brands. It's currently going for $48.99, which is pretty solid for a premium-feeling trackball setup. Of course, not every mouse on this list is about comfort. Some are built for pure performance. The Logitech G502 Hero is practically legendary in the gaming world. It uses Logitech's Hero 25K sensor capable of tracking up to 25,600 DPI. That's absurdly precise. It also features 11 programmable buttons, customizable RGB lighting, and removable weights, so you can fine-tune the balance exactly how you like it. There's even a dedicated sniper button that temporarily lowers sensitivity for ultra-precise aiming. Gamers love the smooth performance and customization options, although a few reviews mention scroll wheel durability issues after long-term use. Right now it's heavily discounted at $35.99, which is nearly half the usual price. Then there's the kind of mouse that looks like it was designed for controlling a spaceship. The Redragon M908 Impact Gaming Mouse comes loaded with 18 buttons, including 12 side buttons specifically made for MMO games. For players who rely on macros and hotkeys, this mouse basically turns your thumb into a control panel. It also includes adjustable weights, customizable RGB lighting with over 16 million colors, and DPI settings up to 12,400. Customers often say the mouse feels incredibly smooth for the price, though some report that the side buttons can feel slightly soft over time. Still, at $24.99, it's an insane amount of functionality for the money. Now let's switch gears for a second, because not every mouse needs to look aggressive or futuristic. The FOPATO F01 travel mouse is small, colorful, and surprisingly stylish. Its rounded donut-shaped design is lightweight and built for portability. It weighs just 56 grams, supports both Bluetooth and wireless connections, and runs quietly thanks to silent click buttons. The battery can last around 30 days with normal use, which makes it a great option for people who work from cafes, libraries, or shared office spaces. The price? $28.99. And then we get to something that feels like it belongs in the future. The 2026 AI voice mouse is more than just a mouse. It's basically a productivity assistant. It can record meetings, transcribe conversations into text, summarize discussions automatically, and even translate across more than 100 languages. The device also doubles as a presentation remote, thanks to a detachable magnetic handrest and gesture-based slide controls. So during meetings or presentations, you're essentially controlling everything from one small gadget. It costs $109.99, making it the most advanced mouse on this list. Back to gaming for a moment. The SOLAKAKA SM809 Pro gaming mouse offers a pretty unique idea: interchangeable magnetic side panels. That means you can change the button layout depending on how you want to use the mouse. It supports wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections, offers up to 16 programmable macros, and the battery can last around 350 hours with RGB lighting turned off. Many users say it's comfortable and flexible, though some mention occasional connectivity hiccups. Price-wise, it sits at $45.89. And now we circle back to trackballs, because this one does something different. The Kensington Orbit wireless trackball replaces the scroll wheel with a ring that wraps around the trackball itself. Instead of flicking a wheel, you simply spin the ring to scroll through pages. It includes dual wireless connectivity, strong encryption for secure connections, and a detachable wrist rest for added comfort. Customers praise the accuracy and smooth scrolling, though some mention occasional Bluetooth connection issues. It sells for $47.49. And finally, one of the most interesting trackball designs here. The ELECOM XG Pro trackball mouse uses 3 artificial ruby bearings inside the device to support the trackball. Yes, ruby bearings. So, when we joked earlier about computer mice with balls of steel, it turns out some of them are practically supported by gemstones. This mouse offers triple connectivity: wired, wireless, and Bluetooth, along with 8 programmable buttons and an ergonomic design built for long productivity sessions. Users love the comfort and tracking accuracy, though some mention occasional connectivity quirks depending on the system. It currently costs $74.99. 10 weird computer mice. Some are designed for comfort, some built for gamers, and some clearly designed by people who looked at a normal mouse and thought, let's make this way more interesting. And honestly, they succeeded. But I'm curious, which one of these would you actually use? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering gadgets most people didn't even know existed, make sure you subscribe, because there are plenty more strange tech inventions out there waiting to be found.